Bake like a pro this holiday season. Here are my 5 DIY tips to get you started. Tip number 1. Start with beginner-friendly recipes. Don't jump straight into advanced pastries or multi-layer cakes. Start with recipes that guarantee success like simple cupcakes, brownies, muffins, or butter cookies. In my latest ebook for beginners, I personally provide and select the best beginner-friendly recipes for new students, ensuring you start with desserts that are easy to follow and perfect for building foundational skills. These recipes help you understand the texture, mixing and baking time, the key elements that make future challenges easier. Tip number 2. Know your measuring tools. Baking is a science and precision matters. Using the right measurements can transform your desserts from okay to wow. Invest in a digital kitchen scale and other tools mentioned in my ebook. Spoon and level flour correctly. Check liquid measurements at eye level. Once you master the accurate measuring, your results will instantly improve. Tip number 3. Create a simple, organized baking space. Professional bakers always keep their workspace neat. And as a beginner, you should too. Organizing before you start makes the entire process smoother. Prepare your own baking station by pre-measuring your ingredients, setting out bowls, trays, and tools, lining baking pans ahead of time, preheating your oven. When everything is within reach, baking feels more enjoyable and stress-free. Tip number 4. Learn your oven. Every oven behaves differently. Some heat unevenly, others run hotter than the temperature shown. Understanding your oven can save your cakes from sinking and your cookies from burning. Use an oven thermometer. Bake on the middle rack. Rotate trays if necessary. And avoid opening the door too often. Once you know your oven, your consistency improves dramatically. And lastly, tip number 5. Start simple with decorating. You don't need advanced piping skills to make holiday desserts look festive. Keep your decorations simple and elegant like a basic star-tip swirl, a rustic frosting spread, drizzling with chocolate, or dusting with powdered sugar. These quick techniques instantly elevate your creations without overwhelming you. If you're eager to learn more beginner techniques, Velvety Cups by Chef Jacq's workshop is your perfect companion for your holiday baking journey. Curated by yours truly for beginners, I chose the best, easiest, and most reliable recipes for new students. Recipes that will build your confidence while teaching essential baking techniques. Here are my workshop highlights presented as a complete beginner's ebook guide. Learn at your own pace. Beginner-friendly step-by-step tutorials. Best recipes that you can start from. Simple decorating lessons designed for home bakers and absolute beginners. Whether you're baking for family gatherings or dreaming of starting a small dessert business this holiday season, this workshop gives you the foundation you need. Baking doesn't have to be intimidating. With simple tips, an organized approach and guidance by yours truly. Through my ebook, you can create delicious holiday treats that look and taste professional. So put your coziest playlist and grab your copy today of my Party Perfect Desserts for Beginners ebook. Available for download worldwide. And let your holiday baking adventure begin.